get this Bronco up while the Jeep over here wheels it backwards, the winch, to get him up and over this obstacle.